Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M8 Pro and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the option Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock. Then let's tap on Fingerprint Unlock. And here we have to set a regular screen lock, so the pattern, PIN or password. If you've got one currently set, you will be simply transferred to another step, so you can skip it. If not, you have to add it right now. I don't have one, so I have to choose it. It is because that if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the pattern, PIN or password. So you cannot set only the fingerprint. So it is for safety reasons. Let me choose the pattern. This is actually the information I've just described to you. So just tap on Got It and let me quickly set the pattern, redraw it and confirm. Here we've got the screen protector tip. So if you've applied the screen protector, I mean the glass, for example, or something like that, you have to be aware that it might affect the fingerprint sensor. So it is not only recommended to use an official Xiaomi film, but also I highly recommend to add the fingerprint after adding the tempered glass, because as I said, it might affect the fingerprint sensor and the recognition itself. All right, so now all we have to do is to put our finger on the sensor, which is right here, and press it and do it many times in order to add the fingerprint fully. Try to catch every part of it for better recognition. Okay, done. Just tap on done. I did it accidentally, sorry. Here we've got the fingerprint section. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it. Add another fingerprint. I believe we can add up to 5 different fingerprints. It is a usual number. Here we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for. So lock screen, privacy, password, or fingerprint payments. Here we've got also the fingerprint recognition, and basically this is the fingerprint animation which will be shown on the screen whilst using the fingerprint. So I mean the fingerprint recognition here, I mean the name is quite confusing, I would say. So we can just choose the animations. They are monochromatic. Not really that much interesting, but if you wish, you can also turn off the fingerprint animation, so it's up to you. And here, low light fingerprint unlock, so it means that if there is a low brightness, low contrast, then you can still use the fingerprint, but it will take longer. And you can decide whether you want to show fingerprint icon when the screen is off. So whenever you will raise the device or tap on the screen, your device will show you the fingerprint sensor. This is how it works. Now all we have to do, all we've got left, is to lock our device and check if it is working. So we've got the fingerprint sensor, great. So let me put my finger on it, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint and it works. All right, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.